Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In the previous video, we were able to look at using themes in Excel and how to apply these themes in Excel. So in this very session, we are going to be looking at how we can use cell styles. So instead of applying to the entire sheet, we can actually apply styles to just cells. And I'm going to show you how we can do this in a minute. So let's get started. In this our sheet here, you can see that we have numbers as well as characters, different styles, and we want to color it based on our preferences. Now, what I'm going to do is go to this Home tab and then come under Styles and open it. You can see we have different styles here. We have the good, bad, and neutral. We have the data and model. We have the titles and headings. We have theme style, cell styles, and we have number formats. We also have option to create our new cell styles and also to merge styles. This one will involve us getting styles from another workbook. Now, to demonstrate some of this here, I am going to start with the good, bad, and neutral. So if I should click on this, for example, let me select this. And then go to Home, Styles. So this is normal. It is the normal one that we have. If we are having a bad, if we want to represent bad here, we can use this. If we want to represent good, we can use this. If we want to represent neutral, we can use this. Then for data, data and model, it is still the same. So we can see the differences as we hover each of them. Same goes to heading. You can see it has increased in size, and even title total. So for this total now, let's demonstrate the total. For total, let's start with this, for example. Now we just sum this. And since it's selected, come to inside Home, Cell Styles, and then choose total. So it helps us strike two lines beneath the total. And in terms of the themes we had initially in our previous video, we can also select themes here. We can just select a number of cells here and decide to give it a different format. So come to Home and then decide we want to format it this way with this color or this color, depending on any color that we want. And finally, we have our number format. If we select our numbers, for example, here, let me select some numbers, and then come to Home. We may decide we want to have commas added to our numbers. Initially, notice there were no numbers. Now, if we hover over commas, you see that we have commas added. See currency, so we can add currency. Same as currency, but not having any decimals behind, and then percentages. So this is for number format. Then the next thing that I would like us to look at is when we want to create our own formats. So we go back to Home, select Cell Styles, and come to New Style. So let's call this style 1. And then here, I'm going to fill it with red. Okay. And I want to give the font color white. All right. So we've selected this, or let's select multiple, and then come to Home, Cell Style. So you can see the style one that we just created, and we can actually customize it from here. Now the final thing is the merge style. So the merge style is just about getting a new style from an open workbook. So it says we should choose an open workbook to copy its style into this very workbook. But we don't have any open workbook. So you can just write down one on your own and see how it works. Thank you so much for your time and for following this video. Please, if you were able to learn something from this video, like and subscribe to this channel. Like the video so that others can be able to see it. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.